In this video, we will discuss about lab design and setup. This is our lab setup. I'm using Windows 11. If I minimize this one, so you can see I'm using Windows 11. And if I go to system information, okay, so I'm using Microsoft Windows 11 Pro. And top of this Windows 11, I will install hypervisor. The hypervisor which I'm using is VMware Workstation Pro. So this is VMware Workstation Pro version 17. You can use any version. Also, you can use any alternative virtualization technology such as VMware Player, which is free. And also you can use VirtualBox as well. Okay, so I have installed hypervisor top of my Windows 11. Okay, and then we're gonna use in this VMware Workstation NAT, which is VMNet 8. This is the adapter. It's play like a roll-up virtual switch to connect all these devices to each other, also to connect these devices to the internet and also to my Windows 11. Okay, the subnet of this VMNet 8 is 192.168.114. Let me show you. So if I go to here, the VMware Workstation, click on edit, go to virtual network editor. So you will find two adapters by default when you install VMware Workstation: VMNet 1 and VMNet 8, host only and NAT. NAT means it will get the internet from your host PC, in this case Windows 11. Both are connected, both have DHCP enabled. However, we are interested in VMNet 8. Okay, so here you can see the range is 192.168.114, which you can change. Just click on change setting, and here is NAT. So you can make them the same like mine one. So it will be easy for you to do the same lab setup. In your case, it will be 192.168 and the third digit will be something else. So you can easily change from here. And there is a DHCP enable. DHCP start from 128 to 254. And the gateway is 192.168.114.2. Always the second IP is the gateway. The first IP is assigned to the adapter. Okay, that's why I mentioned the IP 192.168.114.1. If I go to here, sorry, let me go to my adapter. Okay, if I go to network connection, sorry, not. Let me go to network connection so that I can show you. So when you install VMware Workstation, so it will install two adapters, VMNet 1 and we are interested in VMNet 8. And the first IP 192.168.114.1 is assigned automatically to this adapter. So that's why I mentioned here this IP 192.168.114.1 and the gateway is 192.168.114.2, which I show you from here. If you go to, okay, so this is the lab setup. So this NAT will get the internet from my PC and they can provide the internet to all these devices. Also, they will connect all these devices to each other, so it will be reachable. So this is our lab setup. Now you get the idea. We need a virtual machine Windows XP, which we will use Windows XP Pro, Server Pack 1, OS Broken Web Application 1.2. These are the vulnerable server. Okay, you can use any vulnerable server. If you remember, in cybersecurity course, I show you other vulnerable server as well. However, in this case, I gonna use OS Broken Web Application, Metasploitable 2. Okay, and I will use Kali Linux, the latest one. Here is the latest one is 2024.1, which we will download. Okay, and the management we are using Windows 11, and later on we will install NASes as well if we require. The external gateway I show you 192.168.114.2. All these PC gateway will be this one to reach to the internet, and this is our internal subnet as well for these PC to reach each other. And these IP we can assign statically or we can assign through DHCP, because I show you there is a DHCP enable. So these PC will get the IP address automatically as well. And the management IP address is 192.168.114.1. Here is my PC. I show you that interface, which the IP address is assigned 192.168.114.1. Okay, so these are the detail. The network adapter we're gonna use is NAT, which you can easily change them. Here is the network adapter. When you click, you can change them to bridge, you can change to NAT, you can change to host, and you can custom as well. These are the custom. So VMNet 8 is the same like this one. It will do the same thing. Okay, so this is our range, and this is the network adapter which you can change. And I show you from where you can get your range. Virtual network editor. This is all about our lab design and setup, which is so easy. So in next video, one by one, we will install all these devices and we will configure them in VMware Workstation.